friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll show you how to make a wedding cake box. So let's go to the video. First I'm taking 12 by 14 cm blue color cardstock. Now I'm taking a ruler and an inkless pen to use crease the lines. First from the right side I'm marking on the 1 cm and 4 cm. In the similar way I'm marking on the left side. Just crease the lines on these markings. Rotate your cardstock and in the similar way make creased lines on the other side. Then mark the 3 cm on the both the side. And just make the lines on these markings. Then I'm drawing the lines to give the shape of the box like this. Now I'm using my scissors to cut extra parts. Then I cut all 4 corners like this. Then just fold in all the flaps. Apply the glue and stick in the folded part with each other to construct the box shape. Now I finished making the box. Here's the box, look like this. Now I'm starting with making the lid. For this I'm taking 10 by 12 cm white cardstock. First from the right side I'm marking on the 1 cm and 3 cm. In the similar way I'm marking on the left side. Just make crease lines on these markings. Crease the other side in the same way. Rotate the cardstock and crease the lines in gap of 2 cm on both the sides. Now draw lines to give the shape of the lid. Now I'm cutting extra parts using my scissors. Like this. Now I cut all 4 corners as before. Then just fold all the flaps as before. will stick this. So here is the lid. Cake box base is ready. Please proceed to the part 2. I will show you how to decorate this box with floral decorations. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for more videos. Thanks for watching. Have a good day to all. See you next time.